Good morning. For today's daily cipher and daily combo. And before, please follow and subscribe, like and share. Thank you. For daily cipher is locker. Take the price 1 million coins. For daily combo, punta ka sa special new cards. Ito po. Yan. Go ahead. Then punta ka sa PR team. Hanapin mo si compliance. Yan. Compliance officer. Go ahead. Punta ka naman sa markets. Yan. Si daw. Punta ka daw. Pangatlo. Go ahead. Yun. Take the price 5 million coins. Yan pong tatlo na yan, oh. Tandaan nyo po yan. And thank you so much.